Now how I will draw the shadow of this object falling on the ground. First what I'll do is, from this vanishing point, now if the sun is over here or the light source is over here, this is a point which is behind, this is a point which goes behind, this is a point that comes ahead, so does this, and so does this. So these 3 points, and this point is obviously lying in between. So these 3 points are I'm going to use these 3 points to draw a shadow. So from this light source point to this point, I will draw a line. Then from this point, see, I'm just moving my scale at an angle. This point is stable, but I'm moving the scale here, like this. Okay, and from here. Now we'll use this vanishing point for this point and for this point. Okay. So this line is here. So this is the point of contact. So I'll erase this extra line. Then comes this point. Now we are doing this for the shadow. See this point, and from the vanishing point I am drawing here. Now you see these 2 lines that I have drawn. This is a point where it is meeting the light source line and the vanishing point line. Similarly, this light source line and this vanishing point is meeting here. So I'll draw a straight line. I'll use a dark pencil to draw a straight line, and this is the form of the shadow of this object. I'll erase the extra lines so that you understand. So this is going to be the shadow of this object. So when there is sun over here or the light source is here, and if you keep an object, if you place an object in between the light source, obviously there will be a shadow formation, and this is the side where the shadow is going to fall.